Hey everyone, ever wondered what job role suits your current skills or what exactly you are missing to land your dream career? Well, we have built a system to do just that. Match your skills to real job roles and even suggest learning resources. So today I'm going to walk you through a really interesting project that is skill-based career recommendation system. So let's dive into it. So basically our system works in a way like it takes input from the user. For example, if user wants to become a machine learning engineer and here are his or her current skill. Based on these current skills, the system provides us the skill gaps, missing skills, and it does also recommend some learning path and immediate job opportunities based on current skills. So here is an overview of methodology and this is the dataset details. For this model, we have used two datasets, one for job role and their required skills. Here you can see it has job title, job category, company, salary, and required skills. And the other one for learning resources. It has rows for skills and learning resources. And here is an overview of data pre-processing. And we have also used unsupervised learning algorithms such as k-means and more. Now let's move on to Google Colab. Here I have cleaned the data and applied multi-hot encoding to convert skills into machine readable form. Then I used standard scaler to scale the features. For career grouping, I applied k-means clustering, and finally I used k-nearest neighbor algorithm to recommend jobs and learning resources based on the user's selected skills. And here you can see top 20 most common skills in job. And the most common are SQL and Python. Here is average salary per job category. And this is job clusters for PCA. And here are 11 clusters from cluster 0 to cluster 10. And this is the job category distribution in cluster 2. And as you can see, we have perfect confusion matrix as the highest number are on the diagonals. And here we have some sample user. I also developed the user interface using Streamlit. So here is our final result. So the system asks you to select your current skill and select your career goal. So let me select it. So as you can see, my current skills are HTML, CSS, JS and all these, and my career goal is front-end developer. Let's analyze my fit. As you can see, I only have 65% of the skills which are required for front-end developer, and these are the skills which I don't have. Not only it shows you the skill which you don't have, it also recommends some learning paths like LinkedIn Learning and other platforms also. And the closest matching jobs are these in Deloitte, TCS, 15 LPA, etc. Based on my current skill, it also shows me some fields in which I fit, and this is the common job title in my skill cluster. With this system, you simply select your skill and a preferred job and instantly get your skill match percentage, a list of missing skill and the top learning resources to improve them. It even suggests other job roles that closely matches your skill. It's smart, simple, and super useful. All the datasets, Colab notebook, and Python files are available on my GitHub. You'll also find the links in video description and pinned comment below. Thank you.